Anyhow, they now God, because they say when fish it come out for inside water, fall for inside fire. It did know say this, so this ground it get they two color. You get for see how fish it go suffer for inside for frying pan. Anyhow, they now God. No man no become for this world for can remain. All man it don't come for live and die, and any man don't come for walk and go. No man no they way who can't carry some work saying that you could walk all. If they leave their work for when I say me when I walk on when I walk go to the side. Man must tire. So anyhow we me when I just take an ICD. But for YouTube channel and for the way we fit talk wait way in the past. But for Facebook you fit just follow now wait way it could happen now. Even now for 10 minutes we make come and then we sign paper. Anything we it won't be we begin going before. So today na Friday and a day we will ever get stranger for inside house and the stranger don't finish be. And then we go talk a thing that way don't happen for inside the week. And then after now, when we finish now, you get message, you send them for we through the number WhatsApp. And then today they not ever call anyhow we day. Now we then will come back before we enter the talk. Man will not be there for the starting. You not gonna know how it will start. So stranger we don't come for house. They call and say Lambert event. Yisesef na I for Turiman and na Turiman too for inside country. It is done for inside the only. Come go again for Turi house for same with Chakara Turi countryman.
Thank you, plenty General. Always be happy for come talk for weekend, and we get to talk say. Anything where they do for this ground, do I'm fine because man don't they know. You feel the make like say na joke way at the end of the day. You the one die, one go heaven. God will ask you some questions where you not feel ever answer. So not ever define who way to be or who be because now time where they sleep where they know place and where a blanket in the hot. So I be glad for me for you. The talk say una don't she don't for corner television. I beg una she don't find. She don't find because we got Chakara Tori as it be happen from Sunday up to today, Friday. I'll be happy for the day.
Anyhow, we dey na God. We go into another chapter 1 na palava. This one will be happen for side where they call them. Now for the say it to go be for inside the own day. We picking them. They decide say this so they go enter classroom now with the power and then they be broken them too for inside the SDO it become and then Joe too USSF become after governor for inside center region USSF it become too for contact I chop Christmas they talk to this so now because they be lock the gate and then picking them they be plenty for inside for outside and then the principal the way we explain them it talk say this so now because they picking another can school early so picking into the talk say this so principal to know the cap early and according to the talk for SDO and the governor for Central Region, they be talking this so. This incident, it don't happen so. No picking, it never die. Say they don't get plenty cut. But parents them, they talk to this so. Some picking them, they don't die. And Okada people, they talk to this so. Picking them, they don't die for chapter for this thing where it be happen. But if na say wait to be happen, but this student them, no the first time where they come late, they ever come late. But why they know they broke principal in moto? Why they know they broke them for inside that college? That means they show say there's so something in the back. So, Mr. Lambert Kiven, when you see this thing in the corner yakwata, then you be here the thing how you be here and how you be seeing for social media.
I like because you don't start Torina for this wahala. Ma tell you say as this thing happen, me say abidede. If they say pikin no die, they wonder because wait till we are see am and how we are don't interview plenty people they talk am. I get 3 interview for students them where they talk am. What thing I say wait that madam for that school, he be like say, you know, me not say they ever appoint this principal. That's how they behave. And some student and they inside will not be student them. Where that me say cow they take close for sheep. Where I win a cow. That way one knock you down in the mobile horn. Where chasing a sheep. That me say student in the camp for that school. Where no be student them. I know if you get control because as sometimes we have to say security the day. Or security guard the day for school, but one look critical, you see say they don't get work. They don't get work because that person want enter school, they need to do a thorough control. And that way one control, then they talk say you not be fine, to me connect. Now at least you come for your own the whole day. I get to understand something not happen. So this kind of thing you go talk for students tell you say my colleague don't die. Students cry when they lie and lie. No, when something happens, so governor, minister. If finds when they want to go inside, me they go inside, go start from the sleepers level. Sleepers level na student them. Not be the first time where this issue happen for this particular school. Because I don't ask some former students say, how would they ever be for that one at school? He tell me say no, now so there's a big day. Say anything where administrator one show say day, they go show them paper. Even cause for example say some teacher for day. Monsieur Melen. My quote example, Mr. Milen, he get their hand so because they be caught and now we match it, we collapse. So this violence for this school not stand and start. And of recent, you know, say Madame Leonga, he just come back from some as some student be take school driver, one school so one for day. So violence there for school. It will start the sole problem for on top, we not go solve. Point there for that school and picking the be die.
So what do you propose for that school now? Or for government for saying they solve the problem?
They know. Me they select student them. Me they grip any man say hey, you when one come school, you come for waiting. They refuse for go school. If they look student, me they interview. They talk say interview, proper interview before picking to go school. If not, I not seen it because someone they will cast sports on one day for day. Look the losses where you don't losses. See madam, but we check around. This kind of attitude, no matter what the way your teacher do them, now teacher teach even president of this country.
Okay, me we go now.
Do this kind of wahala.
Yes, me we go now. We go see time we governor for Central Region, Nasiri Pobia, if they come for that place because he say they so trouble it did that side. Me we go see time we the governor if it enter for inside that government bilingual high school for Etogobe na the entrance that na baby people and that for inside Yaoundé where they don't go for day and na else do that where he says he talk with commissioner he talks to this matter na matter where he did say something he did for back and they're not the one for talk. The only thing we will not see him. Now time where they not the whole thing where they can say a meeting, crisis meeting. Yes, so for talk so they so now this thing for solve the problem. Any man it come for it last go. Now time this where governor for Central Region Nasiri Pobia be enter for the very place. Now motor this way a take for camp. So it come for the a waka a locum is see so this matter no be na a small matter me ni say me the whole ndongame with the teachers them. Whole Ndongamen with the student them, and then before they will know the truth for this matter. But time we talk so, we chase it sometime. We go see the Ndongamen where they go on. We never see them. Yes, now Nasiri Popia that way he get that red tie. So na he be SDO for side for Uri, and then the last they send him for this side. Me can be governor. So all them they be talk to this so. He says he get for enter inside go see him with 2 koro eyes so that. May he know what way go talk for President Pobia for country. So na time this way SDO it talk but SDO don't first talk for microphone say this so no person never die and SDO governor he says that we get for repeat na the very thing. You see how they work they go so for go see and I go see the motor they don't provoke him. So Lambert normal time way Joe don't come and SDO come after governor come. They will get for whole meeting with the teachers and then whole meeting with the student for no sideway problem it come out.
You know if you ask answer, it be very clear. I believe I not be the expect na governor. I don't be the expect Nadio. I be the expect Minister Nalova Lionga or representative for your office. But if he say he be occupied, if be support for send a delegation, make it go for them go see and say, now we dey school. Now we go know about which way pedagogy in the talk. And immediately, therefore, she don't meeting for them, even close for 10 p.m. But they don't call una journalism, una go make blah blah for them with camera. Then the show say governor don't go school for play way wahala be there. They be telling us everything. No nothing. They will get emergency meeting for talk about students because this is not the first time. Nobody would you tell you what go don't see. Of recent, they say they beat some people for 2 can each collapse die. Something there for our school. Something there. And with this, she don't talk for you because at least we'll be inter school small. Even we not go far, we'll be inter small. Teacher now the priority. But we don't take teacher put her for sleepers level. Same so some teacher they too they over hungry. Teacher they are hungry. So when they go in, nobody say they want teach, they go in because they want make money. They appoint person like mommy. If they ask for school like saying na God. If they ask even pass the minister, the presidential decree where appoint you, it is wrong. This madam get problem. Go ask them today again. This madam get problem. Now say they want to cover you up. This madam will get a very serious problem. I don't want to divide because I know be student. I don't be teacher for that school. I don't ask some discipline matter for some school where I don't want to call them. Yesterday when I stand the talk for calling our place, he tell me say, Mr. Lamjo leave am so. We just leave am because if I say ma go school come back see my picking because I don't want for mix some kind of discipline. Now discipline must I talk for government high school. For your own year, he tell me say no. If to say ma go mix some kind of discipline, I come back with 1 leg or I not come, my picking go stay back suffer, and my master go lost me. Imagine that's a teacher talking, but I know if he talk this thing for microphone. There is something wrong somewhere where Mama Nalova, apart from talk say me they transfer this madam, or say me they say you for classroom, no be solution. The solution I say when person do wrong thing they talk and this woman get problem for that school because some people they don't say they don't day. When they talk, they say le professeur de lycée bilingue. That means say some student there when I get up. Some student there, back pocket day. An envelope now brown envelope this.
Okay, now we go sit down now for yeting with governor for Central Region. He be talk that day with this incident it happened. Countryman, we hear say plenty picking them don't die for this government bilingual high school for site for Etogube. You say the #1 for the region. What you get for talk? Talk me here.
The level of unpatriotic acts continues because we have here a situation where there was this hosting of the flag which happens once a week, and on that occasion students who came late decided to act otherwise. And we want to think that these unpatriotic acts should be condemned, and rightly too. And we think that parents should educate their children on the necessity. If you can come to school late any other day, they should not be on the day that they are hoisting the flag. And so we want to think that the parents have abdicated, they have abandoned their role as parents to teach these young Cameroonians the necessity to respect the national emblem. And we have visited the school and seen a lot of damages caused. And we have asked that more stringent security measures be taken for now to be able to be sure that only students who want to study and who want to come to school should come. And that those who are not prepared to come and learn should stay at home. Secondly, that we are going to carry out, notwithstanding the judicial inquiries, administrative inquiries, so that those who are responsible, whether they are students or not, will be able to pay and be able to be penalized or punished as stipulated by the law. So we are calling on those who want to come to school that measures have been taken for schools to start normally tomorrow, because police, the gendarmerie are going to be there to be sure that everybody is studies in a very safe in a very secure manner, that it will be beneficiary to the Cameroon youth of tomorrow.
Monsieur le gouverneur,
dans tous ces médias, il n'y a pas de morts, il y a seulement des blessés et toutes leurs vies ne sont pas en danger. Donc, il n'y a pas eu de mort.
merci.
So anyhow we go sit down now, we go hear wait till the student them for that side they talk am, because when today man if he talk say something there behind, something there where it come, say way you feel jere with that thing so that me man understand how it go. So we not go sit down quiet. We never show this picking them their photo. We not go only hear nothing where they talk. Okay. So me when I sit down quiet now here, what the way it provoke this matter, because I will tell when I say this, so nothing not the hide for inside Cameroon. Yes, since I will be in a Thomas, we get for see before we believe. What the make and we hear?
Anyhow we dey. We be one make me when I hear wait way it provoke this matter, but it didn't say when I not go succeed for you because yes. So anyhow we dey, we be I be tell when that they say something that we don't provoke this speaking them. I be tell when I say something there because them na first time we this speaking them, you can't let for school. Why na only that day they decide for a push principal in moto, we go hear small.
She closed the gate and the principal of the sibling took a bed that we should not enter the gate that because she came that they will mark us 8 hours of absences for the day. So little children now were struggling to enter because the place was already full. We're suffocating, so some were fainting and others were not breathing. So we tried to enter now. That's where she saw them for a time. Then she opened now the gate that we should go in. While some went inside the class and they were fainting. Starting not to explain it.
So the problem is caused by the principal?
Yes, she was rather ordered that 7:30 or 7 o'clock. Well, if you are not there, she will close the gate and then she will mark out absences. That's what happened.
But how are you feeling now?
I'm better.
Okay, you are in which class?
I'm in Comply Day 1.
Asia.
Thank you.
So, okay. Well, can you tell me the number of people that you are suspended was died?
I didn't even know because I was so down.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now we go talk say it now. When I don't hear person way it don't cause this trouble. When I don't hear thing way it don't happen. So now we go see number 3. See how this speaking enter classroom the chakara outing. Now in that. And the benches them where the very picking them they go turn back and she don't on top. They go turn back and she don't on top. When I see her, now inside. They broke all thing. When I see her, scatter all thing. They talk say they so thing where God don't give for you, he don't give and for take him, he go strong for take him. Because Satan the only try way for come invest for inside person. When Satan come, he use sense enter for your skin. And then man you now you go cause trouble. And then before you come back now, they check what way you go do them. This one normal work. This pikin them they come late every day. This pikin them they come late every day. But when under this day where this trouble happen, they don't broke all thing. Mr. Lambert,
Yes,
you
General.
say you don't see him.
You know
See
say
work for the pikin and we'll get them now.
Yes. You know say sometimes I never look like for talk say some people they be badly brought up. For why days where we dey go school for GS Mbo Okingas or they class 7. We be not say teacher na God. Say teacher na some small God where they worship am. Like for African way. And say when you see teacher, how you and teacher fish you don't want play. But now so you see where these students, this same student for this school, some of them, they carry teacher go give teacher 1 man during break. When the break na 30 minutes or 45 minutes. What do you expect? Sometimes you see where some teacher they go, they follow student them. What do you expect? Sometimes you see where student themselves, they follow teacher. What do you expect? Eh? You don't get sense. But the violence for that day, not be wait way mappy check. You are powerful do something it vex you, but no, you want an overreaction. As they call it for grammar. They don't overdo them. Not to not justify because the same bench when I used to suppose she don't on top write GC. She don't on top write the exams. Go shout for part and say, yeah, you my back. Yeah, you say this la. Now so you don't broke up. Now still you are praying they go fix our government. Because as you did for your own they go say na government. Because if you did for one side, they will talk sometimes say yes. Now PTA will get to do the system last. And when you look that school them, that bench them, you will see and say donated by. That means now some good hard man they give. This thing they over exaggerate them. I be prefer say me they go they cry and cry for principal office say principal this and that. Then for chagara something so.
You don't see him?
Yes.
Look for inside classroom.
For private to say archives where they keep all things them. Whether na people that birth certificate, report cards, and school ID and all they like, they don't go chakara am. This is exaggeration. Now for tell you say not be all students where they for that school na student. So what that bandit the banker smoker when they can't prepare for school. Yes? As I don't talk we need discipline matter for some school. Yesterday he tell me say he bad. He will not be one tell me say they so because they don't already know that student them. And when you know say now after classroom, avant match day. So after classroom day. So if you mix some kind of thing, blah blah, come out, picking nothing you for part I go understand. Now whatever they fear, there is violence there for that place, and something there because these students don't talk and clean and clear say, madam, now so it they ever do am. And so ex-student they talk say now so violent. It's a bit there for that school. Then they check picking a half for gate before enter for school. We get knife. Then they check picking a half before enter for school. Say sometimes they suspect say he get pistolet because he pan and this and that. Then they check student a half before enter with screwdriver. For go do what? For go learn work, for go learn electricity or for go the right. Instead, now pen they suppose see a man book. But nowadays, you dey check picking in school back. And we, generally, when we want to talk something about consider education, then we will be sincere because all we get picking them. We parent them. We will not check say we are picking them be all and all. Teacher they get plenty things for do am. Some of we don't be too used to our work. Because I don't hear some woman they talk say I don't born picking at 3 months. You know fit disturb me because I be teacher. You dey carry hire house girl can abandon picking for us. Then they go hustle your money. At the end of the day, they can picking you know if you go chagada prince by motor. If you go chagada or if you even key teacher for road. Badly brought up picking and day and now we parent with the cause am. Because we sabi see some of our picking they say they get the final say. Now a big lie. If you there will not fit discipline you are picking for us. No expect discipline come for school.
We could leave that one now. We enter now which one now accident will happen for side for Buya. Plenty people them they don't die for this accident. Now Palava enjoyment as Lions them they will succeed for qualify for go for second round. Now we camion driver start now they enjoy with the camion for road for side for OIC for side for Buya. Time we reach for side for Bondoma. Camion increase sote jam all this motor when I see am. And then today in the inter we say this so some people they don't die. So one them don't get a baby cut with they now for side for hospital for take a medicine. Me we come over that one now we talk palava this one na market where they don't get for contractor for side where they call her now for Besali village now for that side for Libya them where they say this so contractor will take a contract for build this market as it don't start one time he live and he halfway. They not see again. Now, where people for that side for Besali, they beg government for Cameroon Me they try to look for inside their record. Look where they so who if we take this contract and if we take them for which month, if we get for finish and for which month, because it is sure say they so they never succeed for build the market as we see. No, na only market we now go see to some school where now government technical college for that side for Bisali. USSF is there for trouble. Mami them they don't talk say they so better. Will continue for inside their country market where we go for that side for basically say this so this country market set even be better pass the one way they be bill them, because if they for bill them they be get for the rent the shop before they sell inside. Say this so even contractors on site it don't help them, some site it don't kill them. Now government technical college for site for Bisile where it is now with bamboo and where the very contractor will take market now it be get for be this government technical college for site for Bisile now it where they talk to this so normal me a government it look inside because this contractor never do your work. So Mr. Lambert, you don't see now market that way contractor don't take abandon the market. Yes. And then again school government technical college now in that way you don't see them.
I know the shock. You know, say when you say they don't give you contract, you come they ask percentage, you don't give percentage. You go on and waiting. They don't already give you contract. You know be from some particular area. You don't give my percentage, you just say waiting. Because what way they won't work for Cameroon we are saying a percentage. They give you 1 million. Person can ask 20%. Now surely around 2 million or 200,000. Then you go back with 800,000. You know, you say you want show say you be a patriotic citizen. Now this kind of work will go work. And some contractor they pretend. If you want this over there, the contractor they abroad. Those are one they hustle, they write all that bits, load this, load that. Now all of us use BB grammar, go for treasury, they give them money, they vamos. If you want to say treasury, don't where the contractor they abroad. Now for tell you say suffer day all side. Because sometimes we check say now only with the suffer. All side suffer day. For 21st century where they get school where before rain one start, principal don't already calculate sense. Student they calculate sense. Government technical. When you talk to people, they let technical work. For this kind of chantier. Oh God.
Okay. We come on now, we talk about accident, sham money time for site from consumer for the client for hospital. Now some private car where USSF if they come for site for the water, it come kiss mob with some bike man. So then now with the talk, plenty the day for hospital where they be there for corner road and the motor he mark now rough cut as when I see population. Now Okada man this way a two for them. All it don't broke. We talk say this so Asha for this Okada man and the Okada man na Senke and the new one and this machine it overrun and they will with people and they run with motor for inside country and with Okada it is some kind of way where you look at you see say this so the shock it not be easy. All Okada people that side from consumer they don't come they can't look am the first thing where they do and we find. Now the one where they carry the Okada man go to the hospital and then they carry the passenger to go to the hospital. But talk where they talk now say the boy he took for them they don't broke they don't know whether it is so the fig make them will work out them. Chapter for accident for inside country. Lambert Kiven yes. Okada again. Okada versus a private car. Now walk where it ever happen anytime.
When you look that mark for that Okada, no yes. problem. And mark for the motor, all they get problem. RAV4. Senke. You know, say when they talk about Senke, no be publicity. They did chief post a pass. They did double motor pass. Any man, you know, say technically some accidents they happen plenty when Okada they cause them. They cause them because everything. Okada never like them for respect rules and regulation. More than 80%. They like for the struggle pass, even for playway space no day. I don't come for it to when Okada. I be one thing I talk to the Munga the year they call the man Munga. Munga are the highest rough driver who know for mobilization. A rough driver where sometimes if you go school for rough, but when you carry me, I caution you. I get picking them. I get friend them like you. I know one losses my friend. I know one goes the way I don't get hit. The other day I asked them for take Kasi. Where camion he grind some boys so that they take and go bury him. Yesterday we had no day. Now this kind of thing they will talk up. Okada take her easy. And people the way I can drive myself. When they buy motor, they need go driving school. Even go driving school, I will go get driving license. You don't get sense.
Okay.
We take care for life.
Yes, we salute Madam Clara. Madam Clara, we watch the program for site for Southwest. You know what tell you the place. They tell you also they be get for polish all that student away. They do that action. Any way it is, any man get you on kind way. Me we come on now. We go now for site for Fumbot. And Fumbot it is na inside known and now for site for West region. What we see am now grandstand. Grandstand for a Fumbot. It don't turn na market now. I say grandstand for that side for Fumbot. It don't turn down na market. Now anyway with the ask and whether they so grandstand when a place for March for 11 February, March for Women's Day, March for 1st May, March for 20th May, it don't turn in now na market. And then the time we say this so now from the starting, say we don't use the grandstand in the past more than 60 years. So when you look at me, this it then they say that some man it don't take the market, it don't take the grandstand, it turn up for market and they pay ticket now for it. That means say all na way. Since that was also plenty don't go school for Cameroon, but plenty never get work for work.
So any man now they live now we lucky.
You see him?
Yes.
You see him? So the man himself will be seeing, and then we try for interview you. If he talks no, he not go talk you for camera, but if he talk now for more. This man said that's will be the work for council. If he don't work for council, but the way when they will torment him for that council, he decide for talk to this so. God want credit, he not become with council. So if he for that place, he go one time, he go take this place, he meet up people for that side, say this so he want make him they say for year. So that mean they get you $1 than say me go take na gun enter bush. Now anyway they give chance say no better than say me you begin to manage here. Than for whole gun.
Yes.
So now so but he normal Lambert for take a whole government place when a place for Ngandu. And then turn up for market.
You know, say this thing what they can't talk for us, so not the way practical on the field. Some people they way now advantage this, advantage they say now they not be the pay anything. Because some of them too they work for cancer, they say a salary na 20,000. But see one man the B house where you get 20 million. Who said that money come out? They go inside because of back pocket. Me the man they cry foul. Yes, they might be the cry foul because say yeah they so if you want to be so when they way for sabotage that cancer. Yes. But anyhow. Now lucky. We the chop money for day. Yes, no, I feel so easy. The chop money small. I say when watch of the parents. After where they want get Gando for day, you clean the place.
Yes, they
no
say,
person again make cleaner.
They say when Gando one be
yes.
Hey, they just clean the place. Yes.
They use the sense.
Yes.
That's for who go better than the one say.
And that's so
if they take all the stadium them for Northwest and Donga Bantu.
Yes.
The same market they will not forget gold.
Yes, we not forget gone. So now one thing that so but we will talk so some man go take copy work. Go carry grandstand go me last turn up for market. So Mark Clara don't last time we say this we didn't for side for Tico now for the way to watch the program. Me we go now for side for phone band for Paris for phone band for go meet up Sultan for phone band when a young man. You don't see that man face to face.
Sultan Mbonjo ya. Now
young boy.
He just like vote for Oku.
You know say there's a when she don't one place.
Yes.
You know the fist close Now different man they can't physically close.
Yes no.
Nyanga dey for that matter.
Power pass power.
I don't see. You know if enter for that palace some kind way.
Now power.
See time where they will go. Now fund them for side for Donga Manton division where they don't use the toxic so they get for be in unity. So this one and for Kutaba and for side for Fumbot. When Joe for side for Kutaba, when done for Kutaba, all they be joined then go for palace. Because they yesterday they fund them, they want go salute their fund for side for Fumban. And you know na Fumban that for those where they sabi. And you know say there's a people for Fumban, they be commander for Tikari. And people that took for side for Donga Mantum, they come up for Tikari. They come up for Tikari. So all these people them now one person.
Yes.
So when they want go some place, they must go talk for their brother say it is so one go this place. Now time this way for it will enter for inside that palace for that side for Fumban. So the one go now na Atara. Now Atara dance na dance for side for Aku. Where Aku na so for Donga Mantum division. You see how they dance because they talk say this so they don't come for their palace. And the fun for side for Fumban. Time where you see brother them, it be overglad. It talks say this so since where they put it for cheer the fun for side for Fumban. You know, we don't see he on brother them for side for Donga Mantum. So if I had Domafo with the president now fund Joe for Maurice the second when I fund for Chop Village now he be president. So they be work go for this. Then only thing with these people, them all man, we they come up phone board and for Bafosam, where they go concentrate for they be concentrate now only for the look the fun. After they go now, you see them now maybe people them for site for Bafosam. This one now go them for site for phone board where they be the dance time when folk will dance. So now any man now a last talk say they so me we go check how the place where that snake get too much. You see them. Now first fund that for that side. You see them. This one now they fund them. You see them. Yes. Now they fund them that
1757 to 1814.
Yes, so one and
1863 to 1889.
You see them, no?
Yes.
So we make astronomy all man understand. Sometimes they just say this one and Bumbunjoya will be cheap. No. Yes. So fund the non first come plenty. Now them this plenty for line. So we work up for them now. Look up.
Jimmy Njoya.
Yes. So before Njoya a come. Before now, this one way they a come. You see?
Yes.
So you say so now they list them this. Now they list them.
And the right and right for the country talk, eh?
Yes.
We're gonna talk this for this side.
You see them, no? So they don't list some. List some so they go for down. Yes. So to remember today, if we get for make and so that me when I say when I see them.
There's some fun for them is then at 30 minutes. I don't see whether I say 30 minutes.
See, sometimes they catch them after. Small way one she don't make. He say nothing happen. So now from Jofo, Maurice this when I led the delegation for Domafo. Yes, Donga Mantum Force Union. So that they go so now inside. But this palace, I said can't control it. You know the worker for palace anyhow. You know the worker for this palace anyhow. So now when they make come this fund and now they come, they say they want to meet up their brother. When I go sitting we go pass. Because when LTM film and the way you go understand them. You see them? This one are people the way they walk. There's security for inside the palace. 2 days for front and then 2 days for back. Now time they take them enter with them. Camera not the enter. Telephone not the enter for that palace. Look up. They say camera, they don't know the camera inside. Say they want to go for security meeting. So they go now, they talk, and then after they make their tradition, only them because they come up for Tikari, they say they so he glad plenty for meet up he brother them. Say they be the check how he could do for meet up he brother them. And now in about first start they make official outing. So now he brother them this what they did for palace. You know how when you go, you know how there is a fund for Now yes. Time this when they make a so that me say the fund don't come she don't.
Yes.
You go see. Now in that.
Yes.
Now in that way when in this
Android phone.
Yes, you see them. If they corner the phone and they wanna NJ for Doma for all them, then they found them there where they come up for site for Donga Mantum they be there 15 in number. Plus the one for phone band it makes 16. You see them? Yes. So now brother they be glad plenty. Fund for that side now Mr. She Bruno, She Omam too it for day. Now She Bruno and She Omam. All them be there now show 5 for Professor and show 5 for Marty. Yes, all them they be did. So they be glad plenty say my brother them. And therefore not to say they so he could go to for Donga Mantum division go salute the people them.
Yes.
Yes, say the second outing. He didn't for that side. You see them no?
Yes.
So say we for yes. Now they want na atara where they was because if we talk say one see
people they do na sport or they dance na dance.
No na dance for side for Ako. Na Ako dance that. So they be talk say they so this man don't talk say one see all the dance them because they dance them they dance the same dance for side for Bamon. You see I'm not na fun for that side for Binshwa all the fun
like,
for yes
Bindu?
Fun for Njab
like
fun
Bindu dance.
Yes fun for Njab they fun for side for Aku they fun for that side for Pensi they fun for Chub they this one na people that they don't stay for phone board for long and phone board so they will present them say they so if trouble they get yes that one na my own fund that Lambert yes. Now my own fund that. So they become with title thing for Cam, Giam, because they be get for Hannah.
Exactly.
So now me we here now. No, we go before say we go for before. Go see time way. They don't go for that play way. That's next day. Some place they will next day. You don't go for the.
No, I just see them for. I just see them for camera.
No, say we will go. Say we will go before. Go for before. Grandma Tron, yes. Now tell me where they go for that place. Now time this way they go. So they fund the explain them for the fund them say. When I see that snake will get two more. Because you don't see snake will get two more.
Yes.
That snake will get two more. Not snake will defend anything way one can win that. Now in that. Now in that. You see him? Snake will get two more. So this man now he know the for explain how the matter be happen before the snake get too much. Yes, and some people them don't enter for day, they want move thing them for day for go sell them for one man. So they tie for the hand.
Correct.
So you see now. See how them that one a one go enter the hole. And a young man no say the hole, you say, you know what?
Na tradition.
Na tradition. So they go enter inside. They go enter inside. Now when they were tradition for inside phone band, all thing it done inside here. You don't see that thing?
Mm-hmm.
Some people they go take picture for day. Some people they say no, we not go take and become having the dream. Say this so. Say snake. Okay, Mr. Francois, me we hear thing with that countryman don't talk. What you will we go do for that palace for Fumban? You found for Chup village. Talk me we hear.
The Dongan Mountain community in the noon is the message of law-abiding people. Yeah, the noon has been very welcoming to them. They have been well received here. They should also be law-abiding. They should respect the people that have received them, I mean the Bamun people, and be with them with love and harmony, and be law-abiding, because Cameroon is a state of law. So they should be an example. After visiting Fuman Parliament, my impressions are good. Very good. I think the journey or the visit was very, very necessary, because we have made a kind of cultural exchange. We have seen what culture in Fumban means, what means by Bamun culture, and also we have compared with our own. We are seeing a lot of similitude, meaning that we are almost one people, because Bamun culture and Dongan culture is almost the same, especially the Wimbu people, whom with the Bamun are coming from Tikari. They have an ancestral background, so the culture is almost the same. We are happy to see that.
Executive meeting for site for Fumba. Now for the way they talk say this, so some from them they way they be die, so they will make 1 minute silent for up, and then the president for the Doma for a talk for them say this, so Palava land where top they force them for Donga Mantum they get for putting up for them for solve the problem. Me any fund no say this, so it be the same. Me some man not talk say this, so ye be fun. Someone say be chief, someone say be king, someone say be lion. Say all na fun. So they don't decide for the meeting, say, on a phone and palava chieftaincy, me person, he get for respect the phone. And me when they respect soft chief because people they talk for soft chief careless. So he don't want any man where he talk harsh for soft chief. Me they bring a name for the president for that place and then they will look inside. So if they talk for Bafosam because somebody talk harsh for soft chief, some soft chief for Bafosam. So you name again for enter for inside these funds, their union, make them know how they go punish it. And for Fumbot, some man to talk bad again for soft chief, so for every day. So all that cases them, they go put on the table, know how they go do sanction. We will go on our side for Oko for talk palava market. A lock market where they be lock them and the toxin a Joe for that side for Oko, it be seal all the shop them as when I see and so. So Lambert Kiven, you be prince for Oko Palace. How Joe could come out 9 night can seal market and at the yesterday so Joe don't vex because it be hold meeting, it be call meeting. It be call meeting with business people them for a lock market. The day when they be put them, the business people then they don't come. Now why that way Joe it deserve for go see.
And they still follow up this story because as deal now for crisis zoom,
yes,
especially Oku, you not support come out for night can log market or do some kind of thing. No, if you be call meeting they deny. He get a armored car. Oku say no get problem for that particular area for a lack that way. When if you work for that office so can enter market talk say I don't call meeting una deny. Una want una check say the call una for do it. Dio be support Dio dey like power now. Administrative power. He support for camp. Worker for all these shop like come and the workers so ask and say I don't call meeting una deny. Una want now wait. Una know wetin we get to shidon. Sometimes you want be so, sometimes the people you don't shidon. Imagine say now because they want bring some new tax law. Say they fear na tax so. You fear tax that means say go mob the shop come out. They make error. They forgo that meeting. It deal now you get them administrative boss after fund for custodian for tradition administration wise na deal so they be so go that meeting but anyhow the decision where perhaps take for go long market deal you check say you check say see say the cause na wahala the way the SDO from Goketunja e don long market stay last the time say bring na say Monday go be na clean up campaign you know the follow that say Mr. Dio. So that small. Yeah, but we yesterday so last. Yes. Joe and the business people them the last camp. Voila, now fighting that.
Yes, they make the arrangement. So be as man for that market now. We don't yesterday so market will be up on yesterday. So all man for that side they glad for wait Joe it don't make up. Yes, so Joe with the beg you say this so when something one be so.
No vex na vex.
Yeah, no vex and try to for talk to for camera.
Yes.
Yes, you say now so that me will get them.
Exactly.
So that me the truth is common for your up. So now, Lambert, this one na Palava route for come over side from for Kumbo. Go to they call and say what for side for Nkambe.
Yes.
Government for Cameroon don't hear say don't have mantum people picking them they over suffer and everyone can have a month. We make them shame for Musa when a mayor for side for Nkambe it will enter inside mud with rainbow so that they move mud moto a pass. Government in check says it talks say if mayor feel the work so why we not feel support it? Now where they take company, 3 company for that road. The only way they come for side from Bamkikai. We go fix road so they come pass for Tatum, come reach for side for Nu, reach from Biye. Now this company where they call say booms.
Yes.
Bones, yes. Then now it don't start to dig the road. He go talk you caterpillar them. They say some unknown men. Because I not like me that name say unknown gunmen. Yes, unknown gunmen according to the book it talks say unknown gunmen they don't come burn this caterpillar. See caterpillar how you walk road. I don't say the work are fine. When I come burn them again, and when we need for come up for inside mud, we go on top contact. And when I think when we don't cry for long, when I see them now. Yes, but the caterpillar we walk after yesterday. It won't be yesterday then burn. Wait till we need them for Donga and Mantum division. They say Tesaiwe road a pass, development they follow. If they be tardy road, can company for them do. They voted for side for me. They voted for Mbot. They voted for Tabiken. They voted for side for Binka. They voted for side for me and the other one for Bishop. Now the caterpillar that will be fixed road. For say me fine, and that way they don't come put fire on top. Mr. Lambert Kiven, this one they feel call and say waiting.
Now witchcraft. Now witchcraft. At the same time where you want to, want to talk about this crisis again. Now at the same time we people come out for their bed can provoke. Now crime this. Crime when I only fund them. Feel she don't true molu. True talk say man where he set fire for on top caterpillar die. No be saying that something they talk and say me something knock you or say me thunder. This one the thunder where I feel provoke if I be chief. Now say die. Sometimes the check say Sharia law where most of them apply. Now the best law. No justification. National rule number 11. Now rule come up for Kumbu. Go reach from Kambe. Ndonga Mantung division.
Pass for the go for Mr. You go reach.
Pass for Mr. You go round.
Yes.
Go for Abongshe. Go for that side for Sabongari. And then you join. And then join for West region. We be the crisis. Whoever even see caterpillar for which side for this crisis period.
Yes.
Person risk. Take contract. Go the risk the work. Una go bona. Now who them bona and why? Una come now can't tell why una bona. And the worst thing we are not like about the contractor general. What cost for that motor now how much? If they give me one money for one of the motor, whether na the front head loader, me and my family no get problem again for the next 10 years. But the problem I say you go take motor, keep her for bush, say that they won't work. You know even hire security people them for keep her corner motor. Where to provoke? That means they don't like sure people they don't like development. Eh? And I wonder why they see where Atamaji be told the other day say even Lucifer don't be angry for thing where people they laugh. You should say Lucifer be fine for these things so. You know fine. You know fine. Person where you do am make it come go forgive you. But if you dey hide na hide and the talk say chief them from Donga Matum and not say una be scientist them. Me wanna apply that una scientific work now so. Me person where you do this thing whether he bust na tire whether it for 10 lighters of crash and burn motor. People they buy motor 3 million. Like some of we don't risk. Buy motor 3 million. Some people they buy 10 million. This motor they should not be less than 100 and something million. So you want to use you just a billion. You go burn am. Where to go mix you burn motor where they work route. Rich man they work for route. Poor man they work, rich man they work. Route now for all man. I beg. We don't go far. When I who don't burn am, come ask me they see you.
Yes. So some woman to the toy send we message for Southwest. They call say me Madame Mbon Leticia. Say this will be student for lycée Togobe for Yaoundé. Say the principal be very rude, the respect.
I don't tell you say Paul him day. Now me I tell you.
Say time will be one right the GCA.
Okay.
Say it not be easy. Only torment with the teacher, the principal torment he. If it not be get hurt, but anyhow we did not got a make him it last a pass GCA. So with the salute Mbon Leticia for the talk we don't talk. So now we get for comment now.
Yes.
Me we talk palava this one. Cattle rice for Dombo you know I'm fine. What kind
of Fidelis will come there?
Yes.
No say so, Fidel na my friend. And it na they get that cattle ranch.
Yes. So the vex say this so. They work there for here, but go carry water there for Tongolo for drink. And cow they come out there for here, go for that side for Tongolo, drink water come. Student them they come out for here for this side, go for Tongolo, go drink water, go come. So this time for go find water, drink come for this side for cattle ranch. For Dombo, say not be easy. So with the back, say this so me they try for buy pipe them, draw water for that tap, bring them for this side. So Mr. Lamet, now we go talk Palavandamba. Tomorrow, Lions they play.
Yes.
Yes, we will get image for Lion, how they before play the other match. What do you get about talk for the match for tomorrow? Because plenty people they know start they bring problem. Yes. Me we first talk this one. You don't see say so any player where they be call them, the 26 or 27 player that where they be call them. They pay every player 50 million. But the two players will play what they never play. This one. Now Nathan. Yes, Nathan Duwala. Where they take it for Victoria. Nj Clinton. All of them want to see 50,000.
50 million.
50 million for golf turn na musician. For Abekos. You see him? Now this man is Nathan. When they recruit you yesterday. Clinton J, where all man for Southwest or the West say they so, me they put it for free. Me is score goal. But they don't transform me now. It is sing the music. That means that these two players them. Now them be the highest DJ for nightclub for Africa for now, where they pay them high price. How when I go call player or when I go call DJ can't pay 50 million. Hey man, your first time when they call for national team, you can't sing that music. But Clinton J, they don't call it the 47th time.
You know say
better than you.
You know say me I just have been #1 supporter for Lion. The fact say he go get back. I get JC, I be one when I JC to I check say you know fine. Say ma calm down small where am money time.
Okay.
Because this is support Lion. The fact I say
yes.
Me song try get sense more.
Get sense now. Tell me what you get for do tomorrow.
People they want they manage that team not be song. Me song bring in Abubakar. Me not take man for left forward back, put him for middle.
No, but tomorrow Abubakar Vincent go play.
No,
Clinton J
and
play.
two all of them 11. Me they play ball with interest.
No, but
me they play I say they heavy na heavy.
Yes, they play they say they so 40.
Yes, I say they heavy more than 7 kg for waiting.
So Mr. Lambert.
Yes.
Where do you see say you be sure say tomorrow Cameroon go win Nigeria?
I get mixed feelings.
But they go put you see say they go put na for pool me be.
I prefer me on do a day remain for day. That man wey call and say on wetin he dey overplay with ball. Na play ball, he dey play for time wey he not supposed to be play.
But how they no be put person wey
listen.
International goalkeeper when I can't put him for bench and then tell man wey no get team go put am for pool.
They do it with team. You know see what where they make am now say they get team. They become 5. The wahala dey so if 5 be there for that team. 5 for score no less than 5 goals for this match. So for this match for Gambia way pass.
Yes.
They deny say that the final get team. Now for last like they see say they for call 5 way get team. Different already because they get team.
I know. That means they go per way.
People when a musician now for national team, he get team. No. 50 million.
Yes, they don't pay 50 million, but we don't know how much.
For God is
yes, because if they play for first division.
They be called for small call 5.
Now player for Popo for Lambert. You see him no? But question when we ask and I say Lambert.
Yes.
If politics not there for inside this matter for Ndamba for Cameroon, person where Freka for Dongi Godas, that means a boat, iron boat, with the organized occasion. They told say na be best player for Cameroon.
Yes.
They never call you for
nothing where they confuse me. What I talk say, they wait there for back this and the one no set. Wait there for inside football way around so way the payment 50 million for go play less than 2 months.
Okay. Lambert.
Yes.
Now, we salute person where they can say Shea Godwin alias Colonel. Yes, alias Colonel, where they watch the program live for that side phone call. We salute all man. Where they should done for that side phone call. They watch the program. We salute to Mr. Chame too. He did for site for call for site for Asha. All them plenty. They watch the program now. We salute to Sheikh Misakwa. He did for Insight this side for Yaoundé. He not miss the program. We salute all the funds them for Northwest and all the chief them for side for Southwest. We salute to the chief them for Central Region. We salute all the Imam and the Lamido and Alaji them we did for side for Garwa and those we did for side for Adamawa. We salute when a plenty say na so. We take for country and we salute to Son Chief for Monkang for that side for Bamungo where we talk for TV yesterday and then he talks this will get plenty thing and then we get for talk because he get for them we have for development for inside country. We salute to Dr. Maji we there for Senkante and the family. We salute to we salute to Malam Seidu where he did for Daniel Poto, he watch the program for side for Nobel. So Lambert, yes. Yeah, on last talk before we come out.
Yes, for talk na say me for keep watch this particular program and for salute to Shea Dr. Njoaka Cyprian where he prepare somebody tomorrow. He go there na go easy. And he talk to big salute for inspector for basic education for Kumbu, Madam Kila Lindis, where he talk say at least me picking and go school. And the salute to our own SDO for Bui, na Nyanga SDO na ma for one. I salute you, plenty of listen, Mr. Sunday. He did listen we. I salute all man. I don't dare so I don't retire for salute people because when you salute person, he come out one year and you say, they call me, they tell me say if you salute me when they watch television.
And tell them too. Tell their country people say
yes.
Me then go for YouTube with YouTube channel. You name na NJANGI House. Me then enter for NJANGI House for YouTube. Then,
and the subscription now free.
Now free. No be say you did use some data.
Yes.
No, na enjoy. So me when I do and so we decided Mr. Bawe, Divine way now I for LTM for 7 Cambe. And Gento Baba, he says he did for that side with the salute Mr. Freeboy for Santa, and we greet all man, even man we did for side for Manfred with follow we. Say now so we take end the program. We salute all man for that side for Monte Chapelle, Obili. We salute those who did for that side for Biamasi. We salute Madame Maureen, when a businesswoman for side for
my name is Edibe to say ma salute you. My name is Edibe.
Yes, and then,
correct view of that.
Yes, so we salute all man for the whole way to watch the program. Now so we take end the program. They call me now General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where the work our broom for sweep country me clean. We know the work our gun because we will not be a go school with gun, but we'll go school now with the broom because they will ever talk say me you sweep. And when they want to get homework, they say me when I go bring broom. So we don't be used to with broom than gun. So with the back, those for Donga Mantum division, we don't overwork for inside mud. Me we come up for inside mud, touch to conta. Palava, this burning, when they don't burn that caterpillar them, it don't look good at all. So at the back when I say, me when I not do that one again because it will not continue to do them. Now so we go so the same for inside mud, the mud fish, and we go so the complaint. Anyhow, me we go now go rest because today na Friday. Anyhow, we film it up for Monday if God if he accept. And then happy weekend and we talk good luck for Lions for Cameroon.
Lion,
me
go,
the win.
Lion, go,
so that
Lion,
we will qualify.
Go.
Yes.
Go Lion.
Bye bye.
Go.